Watching our videos is your first step in making your YouTube channel grow. You may be small now, with almost no views and 0 subs, but this is gonna change real soon. I started my first YouTube channel 10 years ago, and I started with nothing. No knowledge, no gear, and no one to guide me. You, my friend, are in a much better place now. On this channel, we share our experience and give actual work and tips. Alongside super packed videos, we also have a really useful educational program. We've compiled all the experience we had into easily digestible lessons. We take you from the idea and figuring out the channel's direction all the way to selling a product. Our lessons will help you decide what videos you want to make, explain how to find the fail-proof ideas, and how to create amazing thumbnails. In our training, we explain how to script amazing intros, go over the most effective storytelling techniques, tricks to hold people's attention from start to finish. Everything we know about retention is in there. I will share how to behave in front of the camera, where and how to mode, and how to make people love you. This is complex stuff, but we made it easy even for camera-shy people and total beginners. We'll show you how to expand your channel effectively with shorts, and we'll teach you how to monetize your creativity, how to turn your channel into a business, making you thousands of dollars. Click the link below, and by this time tomorrow, you could be well on your way to being a full-time YouTuber making money off this incredible platform. So, what are you waiting for?